So in this video I'm going to talk about the door seals. As you can see, I already finished the wing window seal. Have some footage, but by the time I was done it was dark, so not very much of it is usable. It was a tough fit. There's parts of it that I don't really like how I did it, so I have a better approach to it. So when I do the other side, I'll do a full video on that. But today I'm just going to do the door seals. They're pretty simple. I don't even think I need any tools for it. It's just they fit into this little track right here. So it's just a matter of pulling the old one out and sticking the new one in. Like I talked about before, there's left and right, but the front and back doors are mirrors of each other. So I'm going to do that real quick. So doing this with just my fingers is going to take forever and it's going to be painful, so I think I'm just going to use a little trim tool like this. So let me do this real quick without tools or famous last words. Some more fitment issues and quality problems. So they just glued this corner together and it just pulled apart and it doesn't fit in the track. So there's probably a special tool that you need to do this properly, but I'm just going to leave it and figure it out later.